Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with my new release video. I'm really excited about this one because we have the new foil bundle reveal, and I'm so excited about it. And I have a lot of foil to release this week. I only have 2 kits this week, but I am so pumped to show you guys the new foil bundle. But I'm actually going to save the foil for last this week because let's go through the kits first because that'll be easy breezy and beautiful. So the first thing here I have is a mini kit exclusive kit, and this art is by Bloomsicle. I think it is so pretty, and it is called Cherry Blossom. So let's go ahead and go through this. So this has a really gorgeous full box page, and I think this would look so pretty with so many foils. Really, you could go into a lot of the fun foils with the pinks, or you could even pull in a really nice light blue to kind of pull out the blues, or you could go gold, rose gold, champagne lights. It's a really good one with foil opportunities. Then you have the deco page. I love these colors. They're so pretty, kind of moving in to spring, but I also think this would be a really great alternative Valentine's Day kit. Or if you wanted to make it into a Valentine's Day kit, this with heart overlays with a really cute love quote would honestly be really fire in my opinion. You do have the glitter headers and then some functional items on top, and then this is the mini kit page that has the little things, fancy labels, third boxes, and half boxes. And then the bottom washi is these really pretty cherry blossom trees, which are so beautiful. You have your date covers, and then your extra full box, which would be a great box to put a quote box on, or you could even do it on this one, or even just go crazy and do 2 quote boxes. And then it does come with a freebie that has 2 extra girls in there as well. So that is the mini kit exclusive of Cherry Blossom. I'll go ahead and show you guys the a la carte add-ons if you guys want to add anything on for this kit. So here's the kit itself, and then there is the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. I went with the blue because I thought, there's a lot of that pink and the darker pinky red, and I think the blue with a foil on top would be so pretty. And then you also do have the label sampler if you want to add that on. So that is the first kit, and then the second kit is an exclusive kit, but I have wanted, since I did the last Target exclusive I wanted to do another one that's more bright colors, super fun. So I went ahead and worked with Darcy. I don't know how to say Darcy's last name. Is it Dubois or Dubose? Darcy, let me know. So, worked with her on exclusive for this. I have so many really cute exclusive ideas for next year. You guys are going to be so excited. I have some, I went over them with Jess yesterday. I sat down and I have other artists I'm working with this year I'm really excited about. But I went through with her, what do you think? And there's some really cool ideas I have. And I've mentioned this in my last video that I'm focusing a little less on holidays in this next coming year. I'm still going to do exclusives for, I'm probably going to do one for Mother's Day, and I'm doing one for Pride, and I'm doing 2 or 3 for Halloween, and then I think 2 or 3 for Christmas. But other than that, I don't have any super planned, but might toss a couple of them in. Oh my god, my laptop almost fell. Oh, that would have been tragic. I knew that was kind of a bad idea where I put it, but I was being a little bit too ambitious with that one. My character binder label thing is too big. Okay. Whew. Almost had a heart attack. But anyways, so yeah, that's my kind of thoughts there. But I was really excited to do this, and I think it's super cute. I love the colors. I don't know when I'm going to use this. I'm thinking about using it in May. I think it'd be a good one. But I love Target. I just think Target's the greatest, and I am super excited. I love everything about this. I love the girls. I love all of the items. I love this Barbie. I actually wrote in the mood board that I wanted a Barbie, and I had posted then, I think a week or 2 later, about loving this Barbie. I don't think they actually have it at Target. I think they only have it at Walmart, but I thought this Barbie was the cutest dang Barbie ever, and I just think everything came together so well. I love the hot pink with the blue. I love the Starbucks. I love the full cart. I just think this is just everything. I just think it's so cute. And then your extra boxes here are the little dollar spot scene, and then you have the little paper bags with the cinnamon hearts crunch. So cute. I think this is so well done and so pretty, and I love these colors. You have the hot pink, a coral, a really dusty, kind of neutral toned nudie pink, and then a really pretty aqua. I just think it's such a cute kit, and I think, again, another one that could go with a lot of different foils. I personally will probably use silver because I think it's really going to pop against these colors, and I love like the terrazzo print on the bottom. You do have the clear with black script freebie. I like that she put the little SPC in the air, and I just think it's so cute. Oh, and then look at this little note. I'm going to actually read it to you, but I have to hold it up. Nail polish, candle, only one, and then it crossed out, say, 2, dinner, question mark, whatever ends up in the cart, iced coffee, question mark, double checking cart, buy everything, question mark, which I feel like is just like when I go to Target. It also does come in a mini kit. There is an option if you want to add on the fashions. And then there is the 15mm strip if you want to add that on, and the label sampler. I'm in love with this kit. It's probably one of my favorites. Like, I just think it's so pretty. I love these colors together. I'm a huge fan of pink and blue together. But that is the final kit for this week. And let's go into the foil. So first thing, I do have actually some, gold. I do have St. Patrick's Day type full box overlays. So this is what they look like. They do come in all 4 foils. So you have Lucky and Blessed, Happy St. Patrick's Day, Kiss Me I'm Irish, and Irish Kisses, Shamrock Wishes. So those come in all 4 foils. Those will be available this week, Wednesday at noon Eastern. And then I also do have a bunch of scripts. So I have been meaning to release a lot of these scripts for a really long time. And since we only have 2 kits this week, it's really not that wild. That's why I've been doing, like last week I did a bunch of monthlies, and then I did multicolor the week before. So this week I'm doing like basically all of the scripts that I have left to release as of right now. So I'm going to show you guys the different ones that I have. So first I have Get Glam. And then I have Massage. Some of these I've had for quite a while. And then there is also Orders. Some of these I have a lot of because I was like, I'm going to use these. So I have Orders. All of these come in all 4 foils. The next one here is Game Day. And then I also have Draw, which was highly requested by Jess. So I had to do it. I already sent her a bunch. So Draw. And then there's also Binge Watch in all 4 foils. And then there's also Budget in all 4 foils. There's TV Time in all 4 foils. They're here. And then Clean in all 4 foils. Buy More Stickers in all 4 foils. I love this one. I think it's super cute. Order Groceries in all 4 foils. With Fam in all 4 foils. And then we have With Kids, which was also highly requested. So that is all of these scripts that I have. I probably will do some more in 2022, but we have so many scripts in shop. I actually recently went and reorganized all of them. So now if you go to foil scripts, it'll like the first listings will be all of our like the size sheets, and they're all in alphabetical order now and like separate listings. So that took forever, but was so worth it. I think it looks so nice. Okay, sorry if you guys can hear kidders in the background, but Theo just woke up from his nap. So let's go over the new foil bundles. So first thing that I want to mention is I'm going to leave you guys a little quick down below description of this, because I know that I'm so excited about these that I'm bound to like over talk because I'm so excited. Like I'm honestly like out of breath because I'm just like so hyped to show you guys these after working on them for 6 or 9 months, like somewhere in between there. I'm just so ready to kind of just move on to these foil bundles. So these are the new foil bundles. I'm just so excited. So this is the new format. They're all the same sheet size, which is something that I love. It's kind of like mimicking our kit design, which is what we've been going and doing for probably like 3 years now. I think they've been similar to this with having the glitter line, and then you have the Scribble Prints Co. logo. So you got like that continuity of design. We love it. It's minimal but cute. So I do have 3 different things to show you guys. These 2 are limited to the first 48 hours or until they sell out. All of our foil items are not made in-house, so they are limited. So again, these will be available for the first 48 hours or until they sell out. And then also this will be available until it sells out. So let's go into this. So this is the Bougie, I think I'm going to call it, because it comes with the Bougie boxes, and I think that'd be the best like signifier of difference. So I'm so excited about this. So you do have these 6 full boxes on the front here, and then you have 15 headers. This is the Twinkle format. I did pair the Twinkle with the Whimsical Bow. I think it's a really nice match considering the Twinkle design does not have a specific like bow or like, you know, the hearts have like the big hearts. So I paired it with that. So you guys will see that throughout. And then also, this is a black prism, which I'll show you guys more of the foil when we get to the mat. And I thought, you know, showing you guys the new format, black would be perfect. And also black has been highly requested for more foil bundles. So this is also the second page. And then you do get 2 Bougie box pages, which you guys may have seen my little sneak in the January mystery unboxing, which is the last video that I put up that shipped last week. I wanted to get it out a little bit early because I know that things have been crazy with the postal service. So I'm hoping that getting it out a little bit early might cut a little bit of that time down for you guys that you're used to waiting. So it does come with 2 of the Bougie box sheets. Then over here you do have some Once More with Love collab icons. Let me guys a little bit. So you do have some mini ones on top and some larger ones on the bottom, and I think there's a great selection of those, as well as a ton of scripts. The biggest request was to add more work scripts, which I went ahead and did that. And I also took out some of the scripts and replaced them with new ones. We had a little bit extra room, so I added some more. And then I also had this itty bitty little space, so I did add a little heart there. And then last but not least, this page has the bottom washi, which again, you guys can see those hearts. You do have the deco and then the date numbers. And then over here, you do have your, I'm going to call them fancy headers. And these also have the bow, again, because the Twinkle doesn't have like a large version of itself. And I made sure that there was enough if you wanted to just use these on the sidebar, or if you wanted to sprinkle them throughout, or if you wanted to use your foil bundle extras in like, let's say AB6, you could totally use these as your headers. So that is the Bougie bundle. Then this is like the main or the basic, like, I don't know, basics bundle. Let me know what you guys think of the names down below if you guys have any suggestions. So this one here is the same thing without the Bougie boxes. So this is kind of like a trial run to see if you guys like this format at all. If a lot of you guys do, I'll keep it around, but if it's not really well loved, I will be discontinuing and just doing the Bougie like full bundle, kind of like how I do currently. I only do one size. So just trialing this to see how you guys like it. So you do get the 2 full box header page, you do get the script and icon page, and last but not least, you do get the bottom washi deco, date numbers, and then the fancy headers. So that is the mini. And like I said, this will only be available for the first 48 hours, and these will both be on special pricing. I guess that'll be its always pricing will be that price. So I guess that actually works out. I don't know why I thought there'd be an after 48-hour price. So like I said, this will only be available for the first 48 hours or until it sells out. And then last but not least, I have decided to add, by huge request, a matte sampler. And I did go ahead and revamp it to have kind of more variety. So I feel like if you wanted to pick up multiple, you wouldn't be with like 10,000 fancy labels, which is that a problem for anybody? I love fancy labels. So as you guys can see, this foil is a black prism. I love it so much. I think I've used it with something. I don't remember what though, but it's so pretty. It's on the writable mat. You do have a label here. You do have a squared off box and then a little flag next to it, which is a super cute size. I actually just had a little extra room, so I wanted to make sure that it was still functional. I feel like you could use it with a script or like a character sticker. You have a squared off half box, fancy label, squared off third boxes, the new movie marquee, the rounded half box, and then the rounded quarter box. So that, again, is the matte sampler. And again, this will be available for 48 hours or until it sells out. After the 48 hours, all that will remain is the remaining stock of the Ultimates, if there is any left. So that is everything for the new foil bundle. Again, I'll leave a little like too long didn't read down below for you guys, because I know sometimes I confuse myself, but I'm just so excited for this format. Like I said, I've been working on it for so long. It will also be the format for all future mysteries for the Ultimate. Is going to be coming with all 6 sheets. So that is really, really exciting. So let's go ahead and go into the final foil release, which you guys know, you might know. If this is coming to the foil bundles, it has to come in all 5 foils. It's so beautiful. I am so excited about this. I obviously love our old label sampler, which only came out a little bit ago, and I will still continue to use it, which I think it's great if you just want, fancy labels, third boxes, and half boxes, but I love the variety that this comes with. And whenever I was kind of revamping it for my foil bundle, I knew I just needed to order them in all 5 foils because it's a beautiful format. So again, the same format as this. It's so much easier to see it in the black, but you do have it in gold, silver, rose, and then hollow, and then sparkly hollow is so pretty. So those will be a regular shop item. I love them so much. I just think it's so cute and pretty. So this will be like label sampler number 2. So love this. Super excited about it and super excited about all this week's new releases. I cannot wait to use all of it. I'm just so pumped and I'm excited and I can't wait to hear what you guys think of the foil bundle. And yeah, and I'm even like, maybe I want to use this kit. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know what I want to do for 2021 with my kits. I feel like I go back and forth, but I know there was a lot of releases this week. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. And otherwise, that's the new releases will be up Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!